This is actually how to trade gold, also known as XAU USD. So you can see here, let's just jump straight in. I know your time is very, very valuable. So we're heading into the New York session. That is between 1 p.m. GMT up until 3 p.m. GMT. So this is our kill zone. We are only looking to execute during our kill zone. Okay, I'm not interested in executing trades outside of my kill zone. However, I am interested in the data that has presented itself during the other kill zones. So this is a session-based liquidity sweep. I find that a very great strategy when it comes to trading with gold. As you guys know, gold, is very manipulative and it likes to sweep liquidity. So, it's best to take the pair's tendency, take gold's tendency, and take that to our advantage. Okay, so what I want you guys to do first off is, identify the previous session's liquidity. So for example, you've got your London low right here, and you have your Asian session low right here. Okay, so a sweep of either of them would be absolutely fine. Okay, let's just mark this on with a dollar sign, just so we know this is liquidity that is resting below these levels. So, we could take one level, we could take both levels. Ultimately, we don't know how large this liquidity sweep is going to be. However, a sweep of either of them is absolutely fine in order to start looking for a long trade. Okay, so you can see we're getting a large sweep here to the downside. And then what we're looking for in terms of actually executing a trade, we just want to see bullish pressure entering into the market. So you want to see bullish confirmations of price action to ensure and to show us that, okay, buyers are actually stepping into the market. So you can see that's what we get here, right here on this bullish candle close. Therefore, we can enter a long position on the break of that candle's high with invalidation just below the candle. Give it a little bit of room to breathe. You can see in this instance, we can actually get a little bit of coverage. So if we look left here, we can actually get a little bit of coverage under this fractal low right here. So, we can have a stop here, but for the sake of adding on just a little bit more, gives our trade a little bit of room to breathe if price wanted to essentially just ping this level and then actually start to continue to the upside. Okay, so we've seen a liquidity sweep of one, the London session, and also the Asian session as well. So this is quite a extended, quite a large sweep. And you can see this was actually off the back of some US data, which was GDP growth rate, sort of quarter on quarter. So, we don't care about what the data says. We don't care about any of that. We're just trading solely based off what price is telling us. So entries on the break of this candle high, you triggered in right here, and we're looking to target a 1 to 2, and you can see that sort of lines up with this sort of external liquidity right here. But for me personally, I like to just target a 1 to 2, and you're sort of in and out of the market. Okay, you can see a 1 to 2 was hit on this trade, and then there was some further continuation to the upside. Okay, so this is how to trade gold. You incorporate session-based liquidity, incorporate price action, and ultimately incorporate kill zones to ensure that you are entering during high volume sessions. In this instance, this is during the New York session. Okay, so that's the premise of this video. How exactly can we trade gold? And hopefully that should be very, very simple for you guys. Make sure to join the Discord. The link is in the description of this video for the access to the free community, because I will be sharing a lot more knowledge and free ideas on there as well. And let me know your thoughts below in the comments if you have any questions, and I will get back to you guys. All right, and thanks for your time. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.